On the railway, told you about a farmer, right? Do you want to be Robert White? Do you? That's right. I love white thing. When our teacher asked us what we want to be, many kids said they want to be a doctor or police officer, but I said I want to be a writer, a former writer. Farmer. Everyone now they did believe me, but then our teacher told me about Farmer's White. His name was Gary King Kipling. He wrote many great books even today. People all the world love his story. When Mr. King was just young man, he got a job at newspaper, but it was like this thought. He sent him a letter saying, "I'm sorry, Mr. King. You don't know how to put the image down. It's given for almost right, but Mr. Kipling did stop writing. Then he went, he went to become the most popular writing of his writing. So I'm going to keep trying. It's always better to keep it trying. It's always better believe our dream. Thank you. Just bye.
Ôi giời, bây giờ mới bắt đầu